So now let's do a little sitting meditation. So firstly, run that central meridian. Closing the eyes and just feel love pouring into every cell in your body. Imagine those happy moments in your life and allow them to pour into every cell in your body, allowing you to feel uplifted, alive, happy, vibrant, carefree, loved, loving, and lovable. What do we deserve in our lives? We deserve peace. We deserve happiness. We deserve our sovereignty. We deserve to be carefree. Life is good, life is good, life is good. Are you open to hearing from your angels? Are you open to hearing from your guides? Are you connected to the source? Whatever that source is for you, that God energy, that angel energy, that Mother Earth energy. Do you ever give yourself time to think? I think I am open, I am free. I am that I am that I am. I speak my truth. I am safe to speak my truth. I am calm in speaking my truth. My heart chakra is open. I feel loved. It is safe to love. I am worthy of being loved. I deserve to be loved. I am in control of my own life. I am in control of my own destiny. I am in control of my conscious thoughts. I choose my sovereignty. I choose my safety. I choose my freedom. I am a sexual being. I am a sensual being. I am happy to be loved. I am loving. I am lovable. I am loved in all of life's situations. Life is secure. Life is safe. Life is good. Have a great day. Take care of you.